video cut me off. So let's finish lesson 109 quickly before this cuts me off again. So I was saying, now we're talking about similar polygons, okay? And there are two things you need to know. It's in your book. Read them off. You can read them with me. It's page 568. The corresponding angles of similar polygons are congruent. So similar meaning that they are the same shape, maybe not the same size, but that the angles, the corresponding angles are congruent, meaning they are the same. And then two, the corresponding sides of similar polygons are proportional. So that's the part we need to work a little bit on. The first thing that means that even though the sides of the similar polygons might not have matching lengths, they will have angles that match, okay? The second one means that they're related by what's called a scale factor. And the scale factor is a number. Multiplying the side length of a polygon by a scale factor gives you the side length of a corresponding side of a similar polygon. So what does that mean, right? Let's look at example 3. It says the two rectangles below are similar, okay? So we have B, C, D, A, 4 centimeters and 2 centimeters, okay? And then we have another one. It says the ratio of the what is the ratio of the corresponding sides? By what scale factor is rectangle ABCD larger than rectangle EFG and H? So I'm going to draw the smaller one here so that we can look at it. So F, G, E, H. You'll do scale factor for a long time to come. Okay, so it says first, so here's our rectangles, okay? It says, whoops, can you see it? It says, first we find the ratios of the corresponding sides. So let's see, what corresponding sides do we have? We have A, B, and E, F, okay? So we have A, B, and E, F. We know both of those measures, so we can use that. So here's what we do. So if you want to think of this as a ratio, we can go AB to EF. Okay, so what's AB? 2 centimeters. What's EF? 1 centimeter. Okay, so what is the ratio of the corresponding sides? And then we can do this again because they should be equal. Okay, so then let's do the next one that we know. We know B, C, and I'm going to keep this triangle on top and this triangle on the bottom in both of mine, and I need to keep it consistent. Okay, so FG. So BC equals 4 centimeters and FG equals 2 centimeters. Now, if I can reduce these, I'm going to. I can reduce this by 2, so I'm going to get 2 centimeters to 1 centimeter. Does that look familiar? It should. The scale factor should stay the same, okay? So it says that the side